Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna give you guys updates over my mommy makeover, tummy tuck, and my breast augmentation. Just to let you guys know that it's been 2 months already that since I've had that surgery with Dr. Olson. I'll be giving you guys the link on the description box. But anyways, yeah, I don't have my braces anymore, so here we go. But anyways, yeah, my boobs had dropped a lot already, and I love it. It's where it's supposed to be at now, and I think it's gonna continue to drop because, you know, like gravity and age and, you know, all that factors, it'll continue to drop. So right now I'm happy how it looks like. I'm gonna be happier later. Then when I'm older, then I don't think I'm gonna be happier about that, but as long as I lived a happy life, that's all I care. But anyways, I just want to show you guys how my incisions looks like. It's been 2 months, like I said, so the incisions are still there. I mean, you know, the scars are still there, and I don't know if it's gonna be gone totally. I'm not sure, but I know some of the people, their scars are gone already, and well, I am dark skinned, so I don't think it's gonna be gone. It's still gonna be there, and I know I asked Dr. Olson if I have other options about my scar. He said I could do a needling, those, you know, those little roller needle, or what's that, derma roller. I could do that later. Well, I can do that right now actually if I want to. But I definitely cannot do the laser because I am dark skin. It's just gonna burn my skin more, or it's risky. It's a risk, you know. Some people can do it, some people can't. You know, like for me, I don't think I can do it, but I can try the derma roller to make the scar looking better. So anyways, I just want to show you guys how it looks like. I am sorry guys for the mess, and so this is how it looks like. Yes, I am using Bench Body. This is my favorite product from the Philippines, Bench. So yeah, I'm using Bench. I just got this from the Philippines when I was there. But anyways, yeah, so this is my my scars. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like dark on, you know, on the screen as I can see it, but actually in real it's like just like pink. You know, when you're wearing a tight socks on your legs and it's like it marked over there, it looks just like that. So yeah, this is like the jab part, but it's okay. I don't really care about this. This is how it looks like. So I've been putting bio oil. I'm gonna show you guys later what I've been using on my skin, but yeah, definitely I have used bio oil and I'm still using it. And you know, like if I'm putting my underwear and it looks like this, it looks really good. This line over here doesn't bother me at all. I don't know why, but I don't really care about that. It doesn't bother me one bit at all. Like this one bothers me a little bit, but it's okay. You know, like you can see that. This one you can see, but you know, like I can see that. I don't really care about it. So this is on the other side, and there is my drainage side, or the scar for that, but you know, it doesn't bother me at all either. And some scratches over here on my skin is because the garment was too tight and it was rubbing on my skin, plus the medications that I was taking back then, it was itching me all over, so I started scratching it and it was rubbing on my skin. So it's all that. I still have some scratch over here too, so yeah. Oh yeah, my bra is Bench too, Bench Body. But anyways, I just want to show you guys the scars over here. So it's still dark, but I know it's gonna go lighten up later, in, you know, like as the months go by or years go by, because I had the same scar, the same spot, and it's gone. You know, like it was white and I couldn't really see it. It's kind of big because I had a big scar here before because I was so tiny, and the doctor had to slit me bigger so they can push the silicone over there before. But yeah, I don't really care about that. I don't see it, you know what I'm saying? So nobody's gonna see it, so who cares? It's just me and my husband who's gonna see it, you know. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I really am super happy with, you know, like the shape that I got now. Dr. Olson did some liposuction over here to get rid of that, you know, the, what do you call that, the love handles. It's a little fat, and I'm just glad. My husband and I were just glad because I still, you know, I got that butt, and I don't need Brazilian butt lift because I can still work out, and I've been working out, and that was really nice. And Dr. Olson was saying that I don't really need that, and as well as I don't have so much fat to put on my buttocks, so it's okay. So anyway, so yeah, this is how it looks like right now. The scars all good, you know, like I am just happy how it looks like. I posted a bikini picture already on my Instagram. If you guys want to follow me, it's Arrem Day Today. I'm gonna be putting it down below over here. So anyways, let me just put this up because I don't really want to talk to you guys like this. But yeah, so this is how my body looks like right now. I'm super happy about it. It's, you know, like tight. I have what do you call this? The stretch marks. It doesn't bother me. This line over here doesn't bother me at all. All I know is I am tight. My stomach is tight, and I can start, you know, like working out and get my abs back like when I was, you know, like a swimmer before. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, so yeah, I also want to say that my stomach is a little bit, you know, like, you know, I still feel swelling. I still feel pain when I sneeze, especially. Oh my gosh, I miss sneezing a lot. Like if I sneeze, I have to curl myself and then sneeze, but I still feel the pain, but I just miss it, you know, like, I don't know, it's just probably me weird loving the sneeze, and then I hate it when I don't sneeze, you know, like you feel like sneezing and then it's not gonna happen. I don't know, maybe it's just me being weird. But anyways, yeah, I feel the pain still when I'm sneezing, but I just love sneezing, you know. But yeah, my stomach is amazing. I feel great. I feel, you know, I don't feel embarrassed anymore. Sometimes I feel bloated because, you know, like, you know, the time of the month. So yeah, I am bloated. And sometimes it's swelling, so sometimes I still wear my garment, or like, you know, my Spanx, and put it on and just put my rubber, what's that, my elastic band to wrap around it, so, you know, like it's tight and the swell is gonna go away, and then I'll be good for the next day and or two till I start swelling again. It's not bad. I don't feel, you know, like any what do you call this, I don't feel any other inflammation over my body. It's just because I'm still healing. I'm still in the process of healing. It says 6 to 8 months, and I'm just in my 2nd month, so I am fine. I'm totally fine having all that swelling like every now and then. So yeah, I get it. It's okay. My boobs are not swelling. That's fine. If it will swell, then, you know, that's, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, I am good up here. That's still good, you know, that's just normal that I'm swelling. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Just put it on the comments down below, and I'm gonna try to answer you guys as soon as I can, because sometimes I get busy to life, you know, like as a mom, and, you know, trying to, I don't know, do things, all these things that I need to get done. I still have to clean my body. By the way, for the oil that I've been using for my scars, I put it like in the morning after shower, or after shower at night, but I have to put it like every morning and every night before I go to bed. I put the bio oil. This is the 2nd bottle that I have already. It's been 2 months that I'm using it, so I don't know if it's really working, but I'm just gonna continue using it till like maybe a year or something, till, you know, like I'm all happy with the scar. And with this, I am using this rosehip facial oil. Yes, it is facial oil. I use it on my face too at the same time, and I just put it on my scarring because I've heard that rosehip oil is very good with scarring. Like, you know, like if you use it on your acne scars, yeah, it's gonna be really good to, you know, like to tone it, and it's good. So yeah, I'm using it. It's anti-aging, so I'm just putting it on my scar. And another oil that I'm using is this herb. Oh, before I forget, I got this from Morgan Miller. This was given to me as a gift to try it, and I've been loving it, so I'm keeping it. And it's from Octoly. And also I'm using this Herbivore Phoenix facial oil. Yes, it's facial oil, but I'm using it on my skin everywhere I wanted, you know, like to feel beautiful right there. So yeah, I'm using it on my stomach too. I'm using it on my face every night. So yeah, I really love this. It's just amazing, you know, like whatever it does on my skin, on my face, I put it on my, you know, my stomach area, and yeah, it feels so smooth and nice on my stomach area. But of course there's scars, so yeah, it's gonna be there, and it's just making it looking better. So maybe later I'm gonna be putting it on my feet too. So because, you know, like whatever I put on my face, I also put it on my feet, because I like my feet, I like it to be pretty and not nasty looking, because if your feet are nasty, then what else nasty on you? But anyways, that's all I've, you know, like that's just me, I think, you know. But anyways, yeah, that's how I look like right now. I am super happy. Hold on, let me put this on. I am super happy with how I look like, and I am very thankful to Dr. Olson. Thank you guys so much for, you know, like making me looking like this. Amazing. I did my what do you call this, my runway the other night, Saturday night, and I felt amazing, you know, like to be in a runway again. And I would definitely feel nice once I get back to the gym and start working out and losing, you know, the extra fat, and then get, you know, my muscle tone and all that. And so yes, I am super excited. Oh my gosh, I just, you know, like things are happening so fast, and a lot of, you know, blessings are happening in my life for this year. So I am very grateful for 2018. I'm saying that now because, you know, like, aren't we supposed to be thankful every day in our lives, every day, like whatever happens, whatever comes in your life, may it be like heartaches or pain or, you know, anything, happiness, joy, you have to be thankful, because it's making you, and you're still alive, and God is still, you know, blessing you with all this people, all the joy, and just strength, making you stronger for life, you know. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be giving you guys update about my surgery and all that, maybe after a month or two. I'm not sure, but I will definitely give you guys update. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video.